Hi all, today we are going to learn the concept of market segmentation process, various steps and methods which are coming under market segmentation. As we know, the consumer, they have different needs, wants, demands, they have different likes, attitudes, beliefs, etc. So here the company, they might divide the entire market and they will form certain groups of consumers whom the company can meet their needs or demands successfully. And this process is known as market segmentation, that is dividing the market or market segmentation is the process of grouping or dividing consumers who are having similar needs or wants. It may be on the basis of income, education, age, geographic location, etc. For example, an airline company, they might divide the consumers into two groups. The first one who is having an high income, and the second group is who are having low income, or an hotel. A hotel can divide the customers into two groups. First one is who are vegetarian. Now we will learn how the company is going to segment the market. So there are 6 steps. The first step is to establish the overall objectives. Here the company should understand its mission and objectives very clearly. The company should analyze its strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. In second stage, the company should decide the base of segmentation, whether it is demographic or psychographic or some other base of segmentation. Here the company should have a clear idea about the market characteristics, consumer buying behavior, buying pattern, etc. In third stage, the company should select the segmentation variables. If, for example, if the company is selecting demographic segmentation, then they should understand the variables which are coming under the demographic segmentation. It might be age, occupation, income, education, etc. After that, the company should profile the segment. It means that the company should obtain a detailed buyer profile information. So it will help the company should understand the size of the market, and it will also help the marketing managers to identify the customers or the potential customers. In fifth step, the company should evaluate the segment attractiveness. It means that the company should estimate the contribution expected from each segment. So here the company should understand the number of customers and the demand made by the customers of the company's product. And the last stage, the company should select the segment. It means that after analyzing different variables, the company should select the variable which is more profitable or which contributes more to the company. After identifying various segments in the market, next the company should decide which segment should be targeted. Here the company may consider a lot of factors like the size of the segment, the strength of competitors, the profitability of the segment, etc. Then the company will adopt one or more important strategies. So the market segmentation strategy are of 4 types. The first one is undifferentiated marketing, next differentiated marketing, concentrated marketing and customized marketing. In undifferentiated marketing, the company will offer a single product to the entire market, which means that there will be no differentiation. For example, the fruity. The fruity is bought by all consumers and it is consumed by everyone. Even the kids are drinking fruity. So there is no differentiation strategy. In differentiated marketing, the company will identify various segments in the market and they will offer the product to the selected segments. For example, the Colgate toothpaste. In India, they are offering nearly 8 different types of toothpaste. So they have identified 8 different segments and they are offering these products to these segments. In concentrator marketing, the company will be focusing on one segment within the total market. This is because the company may face very little or no competition, or it can do the best in that particular segment. For example, Lenskart.com. Lenskart.com is one of the leading websites which are selling glasses. No other websites are competing with Lenskart. So here the company is giving maximum effort in that particular segment. In customized marketing, the company will consider each customer as a segment. The company will offer product to each customer according to their requirements. For example, Raymond, they are offering custom tailored product to the consumers, or the Dell laptops. The Dell company, they are offering customized laptop to the consumers. Now we have learned about market segmentation strategies. So in undifferentiated marketing, the company will not do the segmentation. In target marketing, the company will do the segmentation process and will identify the target market. In concentrator marketing, the company will concentrate on a particular segment. And in customized marketing, the company will consider each customer as a particular segment. Now we will learn about levels of market segmentation. There are 4 levels of market segmentation. First one is segment marketing, second one niche marketing, third one local marketing, and last one individual marketing. In segment marketing, the company will divide the entire market into 2 or more segments, and they will select 1 or more segments as target. So it consists of buyers who are having similar needs, buying habits, purchasing power, similar lifestyle, etc. For example, Johnson & Johnson. So Johnson & Johnson, they are more concentrating on the baby products. In niche marketing, the company is serving a small segment which is not served by the competitor. So here, the company will identify an unexploited market and will offer a product to that particular segment. For example, Mahindra Group have started a venture named FirstCry.com. So it's a website. In this website, we can find baby products. Mahindra Group have identified that there are no other websites which are offering baby products. So they started this venture, FirstCry.com, and it's a huge success in Indian market. In local marketing, the company will meet the demands, needs, and wants of the local customer. For example, the South Indian Bank, they have started NRI banks. So through NRI banks, the company is offering exclusive service to the NRI customers. In customized marketing, the customer can customize products according to their needs. They can design their own products and services. For example, the Nike Group, they are now providing facility for the consumer to customize the shoes. Here the customers, through the Nike website, they can choose the color, design, etc. Hope you understood the concept of market segmentation and levels of market segmentation. In tomorrow's session, we will learn about what are the bases of market segmentation or methods of segmentation.